Hi guys, I am Luis.
And I'm Monika.
Welcome to Venice.
Hello travelers and welcome back to Monika and Luis vlogs. Today we're in a city like a dream, Venice, Italy. We swapped our cars for a taxi boat and our road for the winding canals. Stick around as we explore the city's hidden corners, taste some Venetian pastries, and end our day in the iconic San Marco Piazza. Okay, shades on because it's too sunny, but we are at the train station. And yeah, Venice is our first stop in Italy. It's my second time in Venice. Luis has been here probably so many times.
Well, to be fair, my first contract, I was sailing out of here every week for 6 months. And then I came back in 2017, 2018, and 2019. I was here. So I've been here many times. But guess what? Doesn't matter how many times you go to Venice, you can't never get tired of being here. It's such an amazing place.
I've only been once on a girls' trip, and yeah, it's still amazing. And the first snack for today is panini, but I'm not eating any panini because I decided to take just a coffee and a small cookie because I get full very, very quick. But Luis here.
She didn't take any panini because she already ate croissant earlier.
Liar.
That's the reason why. This is my first meal of the day.
Try. Ma che buona!
If you wanna walk around in Venice, you wanna come for a very quick bite, I don't wanna spend a lot of time on places, you can come here at the train station. We have amazing paninis. Check this out, the size, guys.
Amazing means amazing. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, so for all this order, we pay a total of 23 euros here in the train station. Venice is about eating and walking fast, so yeah, this is why we came here. This is the fastest way to travel here in Venice. So you can get the ticket for just $9.75 and it will stop you everywhere.
Yeah. So everywhere around the world, people take normal buses or taxis. We in Venice we ride in this kind of taxis.
Walking in Venice is an experience. Did you know that prior to the pandemic, Venice was visited per year by over 30 million people each year? That was something crazy. Although it was raising concern among the locals because some of them were getting irritated, some of them were like tired and they wanted to sell their properties here. By the way, if you want to buy a property here, as small as it looks like anywhere there, it could go up to 1 million euros. And if I'm not mistaken, the cheapest one that you could find will be between 300 and 400,000 euros. You'll find lots of shops here in Venice. You can go from all the souvenirs, you can buy clothes, you can buy bags, everything related to fashion, lots of restaurants, and obviously everything related with desserts. Now you have there the very famous gondolas right there, guys. As you can see, they are extremely beautiful.
And I really want to take a ride in the canals. And speaking about canals, did you know, fun fact, that Venice has 118 small islands and 400 bridges.
Now,
400. This
is the second one that is more translated by everyone. You'll see right here. Also, you have to be careful because this is the one where the pickpocketed people are taking your money or your wallet, so you have to be very careful. Welcome to the oldest casino in the world. This is the Casino di Venezia. It's been here since 1638, making it 385 years.
That's a lot of years.
Indeed. Now, it's hitting in one of the streets here in Venice. But most importantly, you know, the people who want to work there, they have to be family members from other people who were there already. It goes generation by generation. Not even the best dealers in the world can come and work here. If you're not part of the family, you cannot be part of that casino.
That's interesting.
Now, they also have an etiquette code of dressing. If you want to come and play, you cannot come with your normal clothes. It has to be with smoking and bow tie if you want to be part of this casino.
Meaning not like this, we cannot get in.
Exactly.
And as much as we want to get in all of the casinos wherever we go, because, you know, we're casino people.
Yeah, it's called the Chap Bendramin Casino. If you want to know where the casino is located, you come back from that small bridge walking and you will hear the sign right here. Casino di Venezia, an infinite emotion. That's what I call art. This is one of the strangest street in Venice. Check this out, guys. It's so tight, this one. But I can barely walk here. If you like sweets and pastry, this bakery right here is called Biscotti Veneziani fatti a mano, meaning Venetian biscotti handmade. So nice. So look, even the tiramisu looks amazing.
So I just got myself a cannoli with pistachio. It's not the traditional shape. Tiara has the original one. Cheers. I'll try my cannoli with pistachio. The pistachio cream is so good.
One of the most iconic points here in Venice is the bridge.
I found it, and this is such an iconic view.
The Grand Canal is like the highway here in Venice. It has a 3.8 kilometers long from beginning to the end. So this is the main channel where all the gondolas take the trip. I wanted to take Monika later on. We don't know yet.
I don't know. Let's see if we do that tour.
Well, the thing is, most of them, they don't let you record or vlog. They just want you to sit down, take a picture, and that's it.
They do.
Okay. Do you see them vlogging? No, that's why. The main reason people come here to Venice. This is one of the most beautiful places in the world, guys. Welcome to the San Marcos Piazza.
So guys, this point right over here is the lowest point in Venice, and if you come here on a rainy weather, rainy season, yeah, this place here will be flooded. You will not be able to see it. To tell you the truth, last time I was here, Venice was flooded, so I barely made it here.
Yeah, I've been here many times, but I've never seen Venice flooded, so I can't complain. Now, did you know, guys, that Napoleon was a fan of the square? He was in shock with the cathedral and the tower.
Guys, you know what's the funny part? After we've been walking for 3 hours and a half, Tiara here, right over here, she wanted to sit in the stairs around the piazza, but guess what? It's not allowed, so keep that in mind. If you're tired from walking, like for 3, 4, 5 hours, it doesn't matter. Do not come in the piazza to sit, because they will not let you.
Well,
but you can enjoy the bars.
at least the lady said it in English. She said, excuse me, no sitting here.
Also, you are not allowed to eat food while in the piazza.
You're not meant to eat, because honestly, once I had an ice cream here and nobody told me anything, but apparently you're not allowed to eat. You're not supposed to eat here.
Ice cream is not a food, you see, it doesn't count as food, so we can eat as much ice cream as we want.
So this is the Basilica, San Marco Basilica, guys. One of the most visited places here in Venice. Guys, if you come here, when you buy the tickets for the water taxi, you can buy the gondola ride for just 32 euros.
And not 80 euros like they all say if you find them alone anywhere else. Like not legally, I guess.
Yeah.
They're just trying to...
You know what, funny? I wanted to take Monica, but we don't have time. Shame.
As the sun sets over the canals, we're wrapping up our Venetian adventure. But don't worry, the journey is far from over. Next stop, Verona, the city of love.
And this is it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed Venice the way we did.
We had so much fun, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video if you enjoyed it. This is it for today and
Ciao for
ciao
now.